What does being united in Christ look like to you? We believers abound in unity by our sense of connection with other believers and Christ. His Spirit dwells within us believers and convicts us by keeping our integrity in check. When we do sin, we can ask God to forgive us, which is one of the main benefits of being a believer.
Action.
Invisible lady is what she called. She's in the race for the long haul. Giving up feels like letting go. Just ride along and go with the flow. Hope for understanding and personal growth too. For her, for them, and others to do. A little creativity and fun along the way. Let's get this lesson started by ceasing to pray. Some synonyms of humility include meekness, kindness, and unpretentious. Ooh, that's a hard one. Being honest with ourselves looks like accepting ourselves for who we are and accepting others for who they are, as well as accepting our struggles. Personal growth is always an option for self-improvement. We don't have to, quote unquote, run from ourselves or our struggles through the use of alcohol or drugs, or stay stuck in a place we don't want to be. Helping someone in need during struggles is comforting for them as well as for us. We can learn about having a positive attitude from Paul. Even though he was in a Roman jail, he took the time to focus on others and encourage the Philippians through his letters to do the right thing. He cared for them and the challenges of their interpersonal conflicts. If believers don't help each other by being comforting in our time of need, by providing an ear of compassion when we need someone to listen to us, being forgiving and not revengeful, who will? Fellowship extends outside the walls of the church building. Because we see things differently and have diverse life experiences, coming together in unity at times is challenging. At times, we feel like strangers among believers because we don't take the time to get to know each other. Even though we may have different opinions about different things, we should still communicate and encourage each other. Being helpful, patient, tolerant, and understanding is to be like Christ. The object of our relationships with others is to live in harmony as much as possible, being like Christ.